In this video, I will show you how to join the Speed Keyboard Escape Discord server. First, open Roblox and search for Speed Keyboard Escape. Select the official game from the search results, making sure the thumbnail, developer name, and player count match the official game. Once you're on the games page, scroll down until you find the social links section. If you don't see it, tap See More to expand the page. If the Discord link still isn't visible, copy the invite link from the video description and paste it into your browser. Once the Discord invite page opens, click Join Server or Accept Invite. After a few moments, you'll be added to the Speed Keyboard Escape Discord server, where you can access the welcome and rules channels. If the invite doesn't work, make sure you're using the correct Discord account, your internet connection is stable, and your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Once you've joined the server, you can explore the available channels, adjust your notification settings, and start chatting with the community. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.